Woke up on the wrong side of the bed this morning, did you? How do you suppose this happens? Is it that for some reason you roll 1.5 times over to the other side of the bed and get up? What would make that side the wrong side anyway? Does that make my side of the bed the right side, which is in fact the left side? Or when you say, you sure woke up on the wrong side of the bed this morning, does this mean that you actually woke up underside the bed instead of on the top side? That would make more sense in terms of being a peculiar place to find yourself, and more than likely make you feel grouchy when you crawl into your day.
Simple things you can do when you feel like poop.
My wise friend Denise has told me more than one time, some days you're the pigeon, some days you're the statue. Ugh. Today, I can just feel it. I'm gonna be the statue. Yes, I'm wearing my grouchy pants this morning. My head is stuffy, my body hurts, I didn't sleep well. I felt like lashing out at my son on the way to school because I have to rouse him for school every morning. The 12-minute drive became even more disagreeable upon finding a large number of people trying to occupy the same space on the road. And not one good song on the radio to drown out my negative thoughts. I return home, still no decent music on the radio. I pull into the garage, turn off the engine and the radio, and close the garage door behind me. As I sit in the dark in the driver's seat of my car, making a mental scan of the things I had planned to do today, I can't even remember what they were. I could easily go back to bed today. To be sure, I resonate with being tired. I accept that, and I choose my ability to relax around the tiredness. It's the only way I can be at this moment, right now. So how can we ramp up energy for the day and leave the grouchiness behind? Here's a simple thing that you can do when you feel like poo. Our bodies love crossover patterns. Yes, it's true. And that's why we instinctively cross our legs or our ankles. Can you feel how grounding it is? Try this simple thing. Cross one ankle over the other. Put your hands out in front of you with the backs of your hands touching. And with your hands back to back, place one wrist on top of the other so your palms now face each other. Palms facing, interlock your fingers. Now bring the two clasped hands down in a half circle towards your chest so your interlocked hands rest on your chest. And now your elbows are relaxed against your ribs, or in my case, my big fluffy tummy. This sort of creates a figure 8 twist on your body, and this simple position helps relax your nervous system. If this does seem too difficult, you can just put your hands crossed over and on your shoulders like this. Continue to rest your arms and now put your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Close your eyes and breathe slowly and gently. Relax deeply and feel the layers of tension letting go. When you exhale, relax your tongue. This helps to balance your limbic brain, and this is the part of the brain that's responsible for understanding pain and pleasure. So balancing this is a very good thing. And notice that within seconds, you will feel a profound sense of release and calmness. When you feel ready, you can uncross your ankles and your wrists and put your fingertips together. Allowing your fingertips and your hands to move in any way that they are drawn to. Up and down, left and right, in and out. Gently, like a jellyfish in warm ocean waters. This may feel kind of silly, but what's happening here is that these movements have a synchronizing effect on your brain. When we react to things and get upset, whether we're annoyed with traffic or we're in a panic or we have anxiety because of this or that, we have gone into that fight-flight response, creating the tired, grouchy, wrong side of the bed syndrome. This simple thing helps to balance the prefrontal part of the brain, so that we can be reasonable and calm. Notice how grounded and calm you become and how much easier it is to process your feelings. Do this simple thing and it won't matter which side of the bed you get up from. You can be the pigeon and not the statue. The boot and not the buttocks. The windshield and not the poor little bug. The puppy and not the hydrant. The hammer and not the nail. You get the picture, right? Have a gentle day, and please subscribe if you prefer to be the pigeon. Check out these videos for other simple things you can do when you feel like poo.